Yo, 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 Masada Wada. Yo, Masada Wada. Well, it is all over at the Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns won, Esperance Iqanda. Mamelodi Sundowns are through to the CAF Champions League final. No, lalela. The excitement ngifuna uyolanda sifahlafahla bese yabaleka sishiya sobabili because ngimone indlela ajabule ngayo uyaglowa.
Hey ngeke abafana basiglowisa ngisho singathandi ihappiness engeke size sithi siyayikhalela iyona sijabulelayo kade silokho siyifisa sonke lesikhathi.
Sure. eTurban Mamelodi Sundowns siyathandwa hey umsayiphozi ke bana hey uzwela ukuthi konzakaleni ngale arena.
We're busy with the big thing, Chief. Take us serious, please. We're busy with big things, Chief. Please. Take us serious.
Now, Yolanda sizokhuluma mfethu awuthi ngiqhubeke lo Sipho ngimuzwa ukuthi ibone kanjani namhlanje. Msayiphosi beautiful game. Mamelodi Sundowns, they won the first leg and now the second leg. They're doing solid performance again and through to the second final in a row with CAF Champions League. It's really our bread and butter.
Yeah, I wish these Sundowns would go all the way to win this thing. Yeah. I think they've put more investment and they've been very intentional in terms of how they approach the Champions League. And it's befitting to see them going to finals now back to back. Although I believe that they should have having even more than just 2 finals in the last 5 or 6 years now.
Yeah.
Because they've been very consistent in this thing. If you can check, Lamatima Bega keeper previously before he's the shadow back to become final. It's him keeping Sundowns this season, next season I say with Champions League or next season is a week. So it's been a pattern. You go to Petro Luanda, you go to with that Casablanca, and now in the Pyramids. All these teams have been causing problems with Sundowns, only to find them in the next coming season. Our second we champions, or even Swabakona, they get knocked out in the group stages or in the last 8. And so Sundowns has been one of the very consistent teams in this competition. And umuntu mayenza kahle mfethu uyadeserve ukuthi angconyo futhi athole intaso eyilwela.
The man that I'm going to call right now, I need you to show respect by taking off your hat. Cardoso.
Yeah, Mikel Cardoso has shown ukuthi uyayazi i-Champions League and he's shown ukuthi una experience and he's driving Sundowns to a very good direction because mawubuka indlela edlala ngayo manje Champions League, it's clear ukuthi there is a philosophy ye-Champions League. There are Champions League games and then there are PSL games. You see how we play. We prioritize the most important things, which is the goal and the defense.
If it was according to your emotions in November and December, Cardoso would not be Mamelodi Sundowns coach right now.
That's why I'm just a fan and not any part of the executive.
Yeah, what a beautiful response. Now, let us go to the game because really, if you were in the executive, I'm worried right now. Mhlawumbe ngabe ucoach weSundowns ubani? Mhlawumbe ngabe wathi ufuna abantu dance.
No, I think they would have disallowed Mbono Wam, obviously. Yeah,
well, let's go to the game. We were kanjani umdlalo namhlanje?
It's a good game. I think this game it was played in relation to first leg results because Sundowns it beats namhlanje. Okay, you guys gave us a goal away, so when you come home, yes, we have a home advantage, but we just want to see what you can do. Yeah. So in us seeing what you can do, we're not going to have a lot of the ball. We are going to give you the ball in your positions, and let's see what you do.
We'll respond to that.
We'll respond to what you bring to us. We do a counter attack. We make sure we final third. We capitalize. So the game went on like that, and the one thing Esperance and Boneje from the first 5 minutes was they won't maintain the first 15 minutes are trying to press Sundowns. I don't know if they clamping over clean and Sundowns, but it's as part of the game plan be absorb bayazi vele ukuthi liyashisa ilanga and isemini ePretoria. So if they are gonna come and run like this, abajwayele lama conditions lawo. That's why they always play at night mabedlala. So if you give them the ball for the first 15 to 20 minutes ukuthi bezama ukugijima begijime, after that we control the game and then we got that opportunity from Leon.
Leon scored the previous game and then he gets a goal namhlanje from a penalty spot, but he missed that penalty spot.
Yeah, he's proving to be a very important player, more especially in the Champions League. You're not going to get a lot of opportunities in the Champions League. Yeah. But if you do get them, can you convert them? Because it becomes a difference. In the first leg, there was not a lot of chances that we got there. But one or two chances we get, make sure you convert. That's where the difference is between him and maybe other strikers that we have now and maybe the others that we've had.
I thought you were going to mention a striker maybe from another team.
No, I don't think I can compare him to any other teams. Remember, we're talking about the Champions League here, not other things.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let us continue to talk about the Champions League. You mentioned earlier, Uti, last time Sundowns would do much better. Ginqabo Al-Ahly bese vele ifike izokhahlelwa nje team nje esingayazi. Now going to a final, you don't know who are you going to face in the final. Is it Buchan or is it Esfa? So going to the final.
Yeah, I think one thing is showing respect to a game. Respect the game. The moment you respect the game, you're not going to leave any stone unturned. And when they are going to have to analyze every opponent thoroughly, every opponent. We are like last season we had 2 games against the AS5, which one we played away to them in Morocco, and one we played the last game of the group last season when we were number 2 in our group. So at least we have a glimpse of what they can do. And our women's team also played I think 2 finals with them previously with Champions League. So it's a team, a profile, yeah, at least that we can have it's also beyond. And so with the RS Berkane, I remember, I think it was, when was the time they played the final year Confed against Pirates, which they won. I'm not sure if it was 2021 or...
Yeah, whatever year it was.
Yeah. So... Yeah. So it's in a stage school we Confed, and now they are coming up to a Champions League.
So they're coming as the champions of the Confederation.
Yeah, I think they qualified through that route. So they are coming into a Champions League now. I don't think it's a team that is as strong. But if we're not going to analyze them thoroughly, same as Pyramid now with team maybe got this in Confed, and so they also came up to Champions League and they surprised that with that run, which resulted in championship football. So what in your coach, they have to be respectful to a game and analyze any of the opponent that you can get.
Yeah, you can make a joke and say you don't care about any other things, you only care about the Champions League. But you remember what we spoke about last time when you're trying to cover the head. Yabona manje ku Champions League you are well covered la ekhanda, but mangithi ngiyabheka kwi league engathi inyawo seyimbulekile because there is something that happened in Orlando.
Yeah, we still have a game in hand. We haven't started with games in hand.
They are not points in hand.
But I'm talking about our track record. Remember, Sundowns is not just another team in the league. So we compare it with any other team. These are defending champions, and they are going to get time to analyze their next game, and they are going to go there and give a good contest. They don't have to score 4 or 5 goals to win the Champions League. 3 points will be enough.
Oh, you mean the league?
For the league, yes.
Well, that's just about it. Mamelodi Sundowns are through to the final for the second time in a row, CAF Champions League. Ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani kasaze sazobona later on namhlanje ukuthi bazodlala against who. But from me namfana ngamnika sokhaphela uGcozisha bona baqoqobele inhlangano. Please do subscribe, share, comment, utshele nabanye ukuthi la sikuphathele iMamelodi Sundowns idla abantu. Awe.
Eta.